Find multiple choice practice tests. Multiple choice is a very commonly used testing method for nationwide standardized testing, and for other exams such as entrance examinations to schools and professional certification exams. That's why it's very important that, apart from essay writing skills and communication skills, skills in answering multiple test questions be practiced. First of all, it's very important to know some simple tips in determining answers to multiple choice tests. Some of these tips include the following. Look out for absolute terms such as always, never, and none. Chances are, the use of absolute terms in a question indicate that it is false. Another tip is to use the process of elimination, especially if the answer is not obvious to you at the onset, and if there seems to be multiple answers possible. Since there are usually 4 different choices, 2 are usually used as obvious distractors. The remaining 2 are usually the difficult ones that you'd have to choose between. At this point you've got a 50-50 chance of getting the correct answer. Just choose the more intelligent choice for you and know you've got the best chances you can take. The important thing is that you do answer the question, since you'd have at least a 25% chance of getting the answer. Do know, though, that some tests are right minus wrong types, meaning, your mistakes would be subtracted from your total score. In that case alone is it best to refrain from answering the question. Know that multiple choice questions would usually have your learned information presented in a different way, such as through a situation or an analogy, so when studying, never just go the rote memorization route. Make sure that you are able to analyze the information, to discuss it, and to understand its application. To have practice in answering multiple question types of exams, the best thing you could do first of all is to construct your own test, or to have a study group wherein one is assigned to construct a sample exam for the rest to answer. The advantage of constructing your own test is that you would be able to see the point of view of the test constructor and you would see what possible distractors could be used in a question. Another resource for multiple choice tests would be the chapter summary of the book you are using. Usually, books have accompanying tests to reinforce your knowledge of the information of the previous chapter. Why not look for sample tests and exams? This is especially true if you are preparing for a professional board exam. You could buy books with sample exam questions in multiple quiz formats, and following the actual exam template. If you are preparing for the SAT, try out the website at collegeboard.org. For practice questions in subjects such as mathematics, critical reading, physics, and chemistry. If you're taking a school entrance exam, you could try requesting sample tests and practice choice questions from previous exams. For other tips on answering multiple choice exams and for practice choice tests, you could check out websites such as yourq.ca, flow-jo.co.uk. For Cambridge exam preparation, socialpsychology.org, and studygs.net.